Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Alright, you guys, today's mail is brought to you by Kiara Sky, and I am so excited to have a chance to open this up with you guys. I finally have an opportunity to do my nails again. So I went ahead and removed my previous set of nails. If you guys haven't watched that video, I have a link below, in here, up in here. I have a link somewhere where you guys can watch it, and that was featuring the jelly nail stuff that I got from Madam Glam, so I really like that. But I wanted to do a fresh set so I could just start fresh. And I don't know, you guys know I'm always experimenting with stuff, and I like to start fresh so I can see how the product actually works and then experiment. So that's what we're doing today. All right, so here is what we got. We are doing the jelly. Make sure y'all ain't seen nothing y'all want post to see on now. Yeah, you couldn't see anything. You couldn't see anything. All right, so we're getting into the Kiara Sky jelly tips. Basically, this is a pre-dupe, I would say, but this packaging is absolutely gorgeous inside. I love that. And so this is pretty much the same method that I did last time, but this is with these jelly tips. And when I saw it, I was like instantly in love. Now this is normally $99, which is still cheaper than the Apres X gel kit, which is about $139, I believe. But I actually saved 10% using Long Hair Pretty Nails 10, and you can save $9.99, so I ended up getting it for $89.10. Now I don't know if that was a sale price for $99, but your girl was here for it. So this is the whole starter kit that we got here, and this is so cute. And look, on the back it tells you jelly tips soak off. This is the extension method, so it has the instructions on the back. Step 1, prep it pretty. Step 2, get ready for the jelly, match your nail beds, blah blah blah. Step 3, build it. And step 4, then you're gonna cure it. So I already know the process. I just wanted to show you guys what this kit looks like, and then we'll go ahead and do like a full set try on here. But I wanted to show you guys what the kit looks like first. You guys can get an opportunity to see like this all-in-one kit, to see if this is something you would be interested in. Now I know people are asking me before, like, well, isn't it just like doing press on nails? Yes, it kind of is, but it's a lot more, it's stronger, so you know they're gonna last a little bit longer. Now one of the reasons I was really hooked on getting this kit was because I saw this light, and y'all look at this light. So this is a dupe for the Apres Gel X one. They actually have one that's even smaller, but it doesn't fit your hand in there. But the only thing about this is you have to press it, and then you're trying to hold your nail up under here. Like, it's just a lot when you're trying to do that process. And so that's why you guys know I was using this light previously, because I could hold it up on top of my light, my little lamp up here, or put it in my mouth, and then I would put it on there. But it gave me free range to have a freedom with my hands. So when I saw this one, I was like, yep, we needs this. All right, so it comes with the, oh, it has a warranty with it, and it has a setup guide. I'm just gonna stick all that stuff back in the box. Let's try to pop that open. This box is really cute. You could like save this and use it for something else. Okay, as though we need something else to plug in. Oh, okay, cool. So it does come with the base. Now I know a lot of these do not come with the base, it just comes with the charger. So that's pretty cool. I have a lamp that allows me to like plug things into it. So this is right up my alley, but it has this base here. So that gives me more flexibility to use this wherever. And I'm happy that it does come with that. I'm really excited. So here is the lamp. Let's go ahead and turn the lamp on so you guys can see exactly what I was talking about. I know I'm probably more excited about this lamp than anything, just because it's supposed to be more friendly for you to do your own set of nails. Now if you're doing the Apres method, like without, let me just unplug all this stuff. If you're doing the Apres method like on someone else, you probably don't care. But for those who are like me and we doing our own nails, you know, we need it to be as feasible for us as possible. So here is the lamp. Okay, and you put it in there. Now it isn't an automatic start, so my bad to y'all people who like an automatic start. You have to press the button back here in the back, but what it allows you to do is, let's say you had your nail like this, you could stick your hand directly in either side of the lamp. Like, it doesn't matter what side of the lamp you're sticking it on, but you have free range to stick your finger on here to help press it down. So that's the difference in the lamp, which I'm really excited about. I wonder how long it stays on before it comes off. Now this is a 4 watt lamp, so you know my big lamp here, this lamp is 48 watts, so this is 4 watts. This ain't gonna do nothing but flash cure, and that's okay. I'm here for the flash cure. That's what we wanted to do, to get it ready, and then we stick our whole hand in there. So now we have our little lamp set up. I'm so excited. I don't know why I was so excited about a doggone lamp, but your girl was, and so here we are. All right, so let's get into the other stuff that comes in here. Ooh, okay. Pop out then. You ain't gonna pop out. Okay, so you have more instructions back here. Another instruction guide, so it tells you how to use everything, how to prep your nails, what it includes. Cool, don't set this over here to the side, so we have that. Now, the tips that I decided to get were the stiletto medium, and I think they have 4 different sizes of tips, but to be honest, I think these are like the longest that you could get. So these are my normal size tips that I like to use, and they really are jelly. Now this is very different. I thought I would pull these out here because these are the nails that I have previously been using. I like using these. They're just a full set of nails. I think from EC Basket is where I get these from. And so I have been using these for my dupe method, and I mean, they work really, really well, just like a nice press on nail. But you can see that there is not that much difference. Let's see, can I get in closer? I'm looking at the thickness. I'm not really seeing that much thickness difference in there, but it is jellier, so it's a lot more bendable here. So that's the thing. I'm interested in seeing that. Like, am I cracking it? Does it feel like it's cracking when I'm doing that? I don't know. Where did I get this from? This is a 0. Okay, so you get 10 sizes of the nails, which is really good. So for those who have, you know, bigger thumbs, you know, they got you covered up in here. So what I would do is I would go ahead and size myself and see. These look like, oh, they got a pretty nice width in regards to the bottom part, so you could definitely like shape these to where you want them, but it has a nice length to it. I like that length. This is about my length that I would like to have, and then because it's already thin towards the edge, where this one is not as thin, I have to thin it out for the most part. So that could be a difference. So it looks like it gets more solid towards the top, and then down here is a lot thicker. So I'm here for it. I can deal with this. I can make this shake. And it fits pretty nicely, so I can't wait to like get those all sized up and see that. So this is what you get, and you get the whole case and all of that and all of that, and these are the jelly tips. Then it also comes with the, come on now, look, this some good packaging here. Now this ain't got nothing on my Amazon stuff I be ordering, child, because this here don't want to come out. Okay, Kiara. Okay, Kiki, do you love me? Are you gonna pop out of here? This is why I'm glad I ain't had no nails on, honey. We would have been stuck like Chuck trying to pull this stuff out of here. Okay, so you do get these different steps. So you get the first one, which is the prep. Then you get the primer. And then you also get the builder, and then a top coat. Now, I'm wondering, is this top coat it says apply top coat from cuticle to free edge, cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm wondering if this is a no wipe top coat. The other ones I've been getting, like the Madam Glam top coat, I want to say it was not a no wipe. So I'm more of a fan of the no wipe, but you know, who are me to judge? Who are me? So yeah, this is the whole entire kit that you get from Kiara Sky, and we're gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna get my nails ready, and I'll do a part 2 of the video. I just wanted to show you guys what's all included in the kit. You guys can see my unboxing of everything, how it works, and we're gonna see if it's worth it or if you should stick to the dupe method that I've been using previously. So let me know what you guys think down below about this kit. Are you interested in seeing how it's gonna work, how it's gonna be, what it's gonna be, shoddy? Because I'm really like probably more excited than I should be. But I will catch you guys in part 2 to this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get ready to do our nails together. Mwah! KK, bye.